All right, let's talk about proteins. And proteins, like carbohydrates, like lipids, nucleic acids, are largely made of carbon atoms. All right, so there's going to be a lot of carbon atoms there. And proteins are going to be the polymers. Poly means large, large chains of amino acids. Amino acid will be a monomer. All right, now proteins are extremely important because they are present in all organisms. All right, they are so important because these proteins are going to do most of the important jobs. So they do most of the important jobs. And there's going to be a lot of jobs they're going to be doing. All right. So let's just say that each of them are going to be structured. Each protein is structured to do a specific job. To do a specific job. So what kind of jobs are those? Well, some of them are going to be structural proteins for support. Some of them, I'm going to put here number one. Some of them are going to be storage proteins, provide amino acids for growth. Some of them are going to be for movement. All right. For example, your muscles. Your muscles have actin and myosin, which allow your muscles to contract. Another job of proteins, number four, for transportation. They're going to transport substances. For example, we'll talk about hemoglobin. Hemoglobin transports oxygen. All right, so hemoglobin is your red blood cells. Your red blood cells in your blood. They're gonna be taking oxygen from one place, from the lungs to the heart to the rest of your body. And another important one, and I want to put a little star here because we'll talk about them in another chapter, enzymes. Proteins are enzymes, and what do enzymes do? They help chemical reactions, right? Or to be more specific, I'm going to put here they're able to speed up chemical reactions. And they are able to speed up chemical reactions because they lower the activation energy. We'll talk more about it in another chapter. So this is a little bit of an introduction of proteins. Remember, proteins are polymers of amino acids, and they are present in all organisms, and they have very important jobs.